good thing this is the last race in Australia for these trucks because they're going to need some TLC. When they get home, Brabham flying all kinds of crooked right now. The white flag is out. This is the last and final lap.
Down the chicane again, pinches the right front through the Gold Coast chicane. The two Traxxas twins turning it up to 11 on the final lap here.
Oh my goodness, these guys are just wide open right now, just out on their own. Toby Price in P3 and the Arctic Cat Wildcat 1000 truck with the KTM on the back of it. Right now, Traxxas and Traxxas back and forth right here in the front. What a battle. I can't lie to you, Matt Nolte. I'm a little nerved up going into this jump section.
You are. Stand back. Through they come. High-speed approach across the Traxxas ramp. And again, it's another one from Brabham. He had to do it. And now he's right on the back of the 2015 champ. Make or break moment here.
No fear whatsoever from these two young Traxxas drivers. Brabham to the inside, smoke off both of their tires. Bump on three wheels right now. Headed towards the checkered flag. Only a few turns left to go, Matt.
Through they come. So he's got a couple of chances. It'll be the run out of here and down to the Castrol hairpin. Past the wall cam on the final time, right against the wall. A race for the ages here at Surfers Paradise. He locks the brakes again. He's trying to defend the bottom line. And now Brabham tries to switch back.
Brabham tries to go to the inside. Three wheels, a good fill as they bring it down to the checkered flag. Traxxas on Traxxas. One last chicane. I'm expecting some huge